Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Roborock Qrevo Plus. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So this follows the similar pattern and style of most Roborock factory resets. This is not a simple restart. This is taking it back to factory conditions. You're going to wipe all your data and everything along those lines. So what we have to do is hold down the home button while we're pressing the reset button there with the small tool, like a paper clip, things along those lines. And then we can let go of that. And then you'll notice the lights will go off here. Keep holding it down for another second till the lights come back on. And then you'll hear a voice prompt letting us know that it's currently being factory reset. And it takes about 5 minutes till it's back in the condition that you see right here. So we'll go ahead, we'll hold this down, and then really quickly we're going to push the reset button. So I just pressed it. We're going to let go of that reset button. We're still holding down the home button. Now we got lights on. We're going to let go.
Restoring factory settings.
Restoring factory settings. This will take about 5 minutes. That's it. You're all set and ready to go with your Roborock vacuum factory reset.